Hi there, this is me again, Teacher Mhina. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for checking out on my YouTube channel, English and Tutorials with Teacher Mhina. And also, thank you for clicking on this YouTube video. Have you experienced difficulty in English subject area? If your answer is yes, well, this YouTube channel is for you. This YouTube channel is intended to discuss different lessons in English from primary level to senior high school level. So, what are you waiting for? If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will be notified every time I upload my new video lesson. For my first vlog, I am going to discuss to you one of the interesting topics in English. And this is the different styles of replacing sorry. After this short video. Stay tuned! Hi there, this is me, Teacher Mhina. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. By the way, do you keep saying sorry to someone else, especially when you do something wrong? If your answer is yes, this short video is for you because you will be learning the different styles of replacing sorry. Saying sorry in English is not good because it seems meaningless. Here are the different styles of saying sorry. Number 1. My mistake. My mistake. This first expression is used to replace sorry. Actually, saying mistake to someone else is very casual or informal. When we talk about casual or informal style of speaking, the listeners or the people we're talking to are those familiar with us. It could be your friends, your families, or even your peers. Number 2. My apologies or my apologize. This communication is commonly used for formal style of communication, wherein the people we're talking to are those professional in the field. It could be doctors, lawyers, teachers. Of course, since this is a formal style of saying sorry, we have to consider our purpose, and this is to express our regret for not being able to do a certain thing. For example, my apologies for the late response to your email. Number 3. Pardon me. Pardon me. This third expression is another formal style to replace sorry. Usually, pardon me is commonly used whenever we ask forgiveness for those people we hurt to. For example, pardon me, I am not able to continue my report. Number 4. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. This fourth expression is another style or way to replace sorry. Actually, this expression is commonly heard to those native speakers, wherein they did something wrong to someone else which they didn't intend to do. For example, sorry about that. I didn't see you. Number 5. Please accept my sincerest apology. Please accept my sincerest apology. This last expression is another formal style to replace sorry. Usually, we use this expression when we do aggressive action to someone else that might affect his life. For example, please accept my sincerest apology for my accusation against you. Are you interested in this lesson? Try and learn more on my YouTube account, English and Tutorials with Teacher Mhina. Bye!